Mm. Hello everyone, this is Ala from Levantine Bite, and today I'm bringing to you three types of hummus that I always make. The classic one, paprika and chili, and pomegranate. Hummus, the dish that everyone loves. This universal dish that brings out the passion for food in people. Hummus is for every hummus lover. Everyone knows that people in the Levant area and Middle East grew up eating hummus, and they formed this deep connection of love with it. Some tips before we start making the hummus. You have to make sure that the chickpeas are completely tender and very well cooked. Check the intro video in the description below where I explain in details how to cook the chickpeas. I know you could find a lot of recipes around in our virtual world, but the one that I'm making is the one that it's proved to stay longer in the fridge, up to 2 weeks.
The main ingredients that we need for hummus: 2 cups of chickpeas, 1/4 cup tahini, 3 tablespoons aquafaba, 1 lemon juice, and salt.
And yes, I'm excluding the garlic for 2 reasons. First, I need to keep the hummus in the fridge as long as possible, and garlic absolutely not recommended here. And second, garlic has a strong flavor, which means it will dominate the other flavors like the lemon and tahini. But if you are a garlic fan, you could add. But remember, flavors need to be balanced.
In a food processor, put the chickpeas and process them for like 2 minutes. Then add 2 ice cubes and keep processing them for another 2 minutes. Ice make the hummus creamier and smoother. Then add tahini, lemon juice, aquafaba, and salt, and keep processing for 6 to 8 minutes. The more you process, the creamier result you get. And here you go, some yummy creamy hummus. I'm topping my hummus with a crunchy fried onion. To prepare the topping, peel 1 onion and cut it into thin slices, and then add 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, then transfer the onion to a frying pan. And on a high heat, fry the onion and keep stirring from time to time for 25 minutes or until the onions start to get brown and crispy. Then turn off the heat and start to transfer the onion to a plate lined with a paper towel. Spread them out and let them cool down. In Lebanon, hummus usually is topped with fried spiced lamb mince and pine. And people there have this dish for breakfast, lunch, or brunch. But here, I'm topping it with a fried onion. But first, let me start decorating it with some paprika, the same way as they do in Lebanon. Dip a fork in water and then in paprika and paint the edges of the hummus like this. Then sprinkle some in the middle, drizzle some olive oil, and yes, be generous with it. Then the fried onion and cumin and sauté.
One of my favorite ingredients to flavor my hummus is chili and paprika. Why? Because it gives my hummus this sweetness and spiciness.
Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit. Cut 1 red pepper into thick slices, put them on a tray, and roast them for 20 to 25 minutes until they are soft. Chop the chili and keep the seeds if you want extra hotness. Following the same classic recipe in the first part, add the chili, roasted pepper, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and blend until they are well mixed. Sprinkle it with sweet paprika, drizzle some olive oil, and here you go.
Pomegranate is widely used in Lebanese cuisine, especially the molasses, and I'm a huge fan of using pomegranate in cooking, so I've been using it in my hummus as well.
In the blender, put 1/4 cup of pomegranate seeds, 4 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses, 1/4 cup of tahini, and blend very well until you get that colorful smoothie. Add the 2 cups of chickpeas and salt, then add 2 tablespoons of aquafaba, and don't forget the ice cubes. And keep blending until you get it smooth. Top it with olive oil and pomegranate seeds, and voila! And here you go. I got 3 plates full of deliciousness served with a flatbread as we traditionally eat in Lebanon. You can have pita if you want.
Now it's time to eat. So I have flatbread and I got bite.
And I'm starting with the hummus, classic one. Awesome. Paprika. Unbelievable. Finally, pomegranate. Oh my god, the sweetness. That was all. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comment section. See you next week.